A bag contains 3 red balls and 7 yellow balls. 1 ball is taken at a time without replacement until a red ball is taken out. What is the probability that 3 balls or less are taken out of the bag before a red one is found? Using a tree diagram, we start with picking a red ball as 3 out of 10 and stop because we've already found a red ball and note the 3 out of 10. Picking a yellow ball is 7 out of 10. If the first ball picked was yellow, we need to continue and pick a second ball. It will be out of 9 as there is 1 less ball in the bag. If we now pick a red, it's 3 out of 9 as there are still 3 red balls in the bag. We stop on this branch as we found a red ball. We note 7 out of 10 times 3 out of 9 equals 21 out of 90. There are now 6 yellow balls in the bag. If the second ball picked is also a yellow, we have not yet found a red ball. We need to have one more go, as the question asks for the probability that 3 or less are taken out of the bag, and at this stage we've only picked 2 balls. As 2 balls have been picked, there are 8 balls left in the bag. If the first 2 were yellow, there are still 3 red balls in the bag. That's 3 out of 8. For yellow, then red, we multiply 7 out of 10 times 6 out of 9 times 3 out of 8, getting 126 out of 720. We stop at yellow, yellow, yellow as we run out of goes to find a red. To calculate the probability that 3 balls or less are taken out of the bag before a red one is found, we need to add the probabilities of the red, yellow then red, and yellow then red, getting 17 out of 24.